Today we're going to start by putting a heater here. All right, see, still excavating, trying to find it. From the looks of it, it's back. Should be able to see it there up in that corner. I got the drill bit finally down through. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So we got that coming up where the wires come down and come out. So now we got the board up here so I can start filling this back in with some concrete. You can see I splashed some on the wall because I got to put it in there a handful at a time up above there. So I'm putting it in there and then literally packing it down. Back down here in the lower garage today to try to go ahead and get the concrete finished up. So let me show you where we're at. All right, you can see currently I still have the clamps up there pushing the beam and the board again. So let me get that off and I'll get up there and show you what it looks like. All right, you can see it's a little bit rougher than the rest, but you know what? That's fine. It's still intact. It's gonna support any weight that's on it. So now we gotta get the ends put on this before I finish filling this in. All right, since we have the actual plastic conduit coming down from the heater, what we're gonna use is one of these, and if you get the right size, it will thread into your box just like that. So we're gonna put that in the back, and then we're gonna come out the side to run over to our power box. Yeah, you can see how we got everything mounted up here now. I do have a little block of wood here behind it, just trying to help keep this so it's straight because it was a little bit of an angle. So I just wanted to level it out. But now we're gonna mix up some more concrete and get this filled in. All right, you can see it's pretty much filled in. This is flush all the way on the block here. I just got a little bit on the top and in this corner. So it's not very much. So probably the next time I stop at the store and get some concrete, I'll just fill it in the rest of the way. And if anyone's wondering, this is actually 10 gauge wire that I ran from up top down to here. I know this is only gonna be a max of like 20 amps at its peak, but I used 30 amp wire just to make sure. So now I can actually ground all this to this box. So now we can tie this in over to the power panel, which is gonna be down here.